Abdul Malik from France.
Assalamu alaikum, Sheikh.
Alaikum salam wa rahmatullah.
I want to know if it's permissible to pray in the following masjid. So there is a grave on the garden of the masjid. So for Jumu'ah prayer, there is a lot of people, thousands of people, and people pray 5 meters to the grave. Also, during the week, people can pay to visit the masjid, and women and non-Muslim people can watch us while praying. So I want to know, is it permissible to pray in this masjid?
Where is this masjid, Abdul Malik?
In Paris, the big masjid.
No, it is not permissible to pray in a masjid where there is a grave within the masjid borders. So if the masjid was built on the grave, meaning the grave was there, then they said, oh, let's commemorate it and build a masjid. This masjid is prohibited totally to pray in. And if the masjid was there and later on they introduced the grave, some scholars say that it is permissible to pray there, but the grave has to be dug out and buried with the Muslims in the cemetery. I personally believe that, alhamdulillah, we have thousands of masjids. It's not the last masjid on earth to pray in. I would never pray in such a masjid that has a grave in it. To come and pray 5 meters away from the masjid, this is totally unacceptable. Now, some would say if the grave itself is in the garden and the building and the structure of the masjid where people pray in is separated with a wall, then this is okay. But it is definitely not okay for those in Jumu'ah when the masjid is fully packed to pray in that area, and it's not accepted, and Allah knows best.